Hello, my name is Elias Hartvigsson. I'm a former researcher here at Chalmers University of Technology and the CEO of Endre. What do you think this figure is showing you? In fact, this is actually electricity consumption in Sweden for the last 30 years. As you see, it's been very constant. And we're using about the same electricity today as we did 30 years ago. And this is not only the case for Sweden. Here you see a similar figure for Germany, United States, United Kingdom. In fact, most countries around the world have had a similar development in the last decades. Electricity consumption has not increased significantly. However, looking ahead, in order for us to reach our climate targets, we need to increase our electricity consumption significantly. This is because we need to electrify transportation with electric personal vehicles, buses and trucks. In some countries, we need to heat our buildings with electricity instead of gas. We're also changing how we produce electricity, going from large-scale systems to small-scale systems. All of these technologies, they don't only affect how we produce and consume electricity, they also directly influence how we distribute electricity. In Europe alone, estimates indicate that about 250 billion euros are needed in investments in the distribution grid in order for us to keep pace with energy transition. Based on research here at Chalmers in data science, energy systems, and electric power engineering, we at Endre developed new methods for generating hyperlocal forecasts down to single neighborhoods that show us how this new future can and hopefully will look like. With accurate high-resolution forecasts on new demand, we can reduce the cost of these investments, making sure that only investments needed are taking place. With more knowledge about the future electricity consumption, we can also make sure that the capacity expansion of the grid is taking place at the same speed as our energy transition, making sure again that the grid is not a barrier in our energy transition. Furthermore, with more knowledge about the future, we can reduce the risk of these investments. Grid components generally have a lifetime of 40 to 50 years, and knowing what will happen in the future will reduce the risk of these components. If you want to find out more, you can either find us at LinkedIn or visit our webpage at endre.tech. Thank you.